Where are they coming from?
God knows.
All the way down the front.
What, track?
Look, she's front everywhere.
I'm not looking at the front.
Yeah, don't. Yeah.
I'll find out in a minute. We can shoot that window, can't we?
Yeah.
Best window to shoot out. Right, get.
Oh, he's coming.
Right, get to that window.
There's loads of them there.
Oh no.
Ah, that's for example.
Oh, someone's at the van.
That's on which side? Left or right? Left side, coming to the right side of the van.
Fucking hell. Shit. I turned around and he was just there.
After that.
Right side of green shed top. Don't go. Oh, it is it. Yeah, build a green top.
Yeah, there's someone on green tarp building.
Yeah, I think that's me.
You
The
know.
window thing. Well, we start popping it.
That's it, right?
I have.
Stand up here.
It's that window, right? You covered.
I ain't coming.
Oh, straight in front. Straight in front. Where? One to the left, one to the left.
Shit. Hey, someone in that building, green tarp.
Revive? Oh, no, it's not, is it?
Marshall stepping out! Right, shut the door. Shut the door. Go again. Where is it?
Green tarp building. Window.
Window.
Oh, what? Oh, they killed him.
Got it.
Nice.
Cheers!
Right, there's one. Straight in front.
Hey, watch that door, watch that door.
Straight in front.
I'll watch it.
I ain't got much ammo, so you're gonna have to cover that.
Is it? Yeah, just it's it.
Is that electric blow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick. Right.
There's no one getting to him.
Hey, do you want to watch that door so you've got more?
Have you it?
No. He's dead. There's
Yeah.
no one getting to him.
Straight in front to the left where that house is. They're coming up.
We need to see where fucking Matt's
Right,
is.
there's smoke out, smoke out.
Right, watch out. I need to.
It's on the watch the left hand side.
I need to see where Matt's is. Because it's good where the is.
It'll be over here. It'll be that tarp building.
No, it's not because I've got to come down the path. Well, where are we all?
Right behind that barrel. Straight in front. White barrel.
Hey!
Oh, is he it?
Hey!
Yeah.
Shit. I can't res him either.
I don't know if I hit or not. I think I don't know. Might be ricochet. What's that for?
Yep.
Get out! Don't fucking hit me.
Yeah, they're pushing up.
Where?
There's one behind red wrath thing.
I could try and get to the window. No.
One behind this.
Yeah, I think we've been spotted in here.
Yep.
Got a sniper aiming in. It's not right, what I can do.
Hey,
Look over there.
one on green type building now.
Right, easy. Right building, right building. That's it.
Reloading. Got him. Got one stood at gate. They're in that bunker now. One still sat in front of that thing.
Well, because we've got him, he's on foot. He's in the HP.
Him? You mean him?
Get out.
Yeah, I won't even bother teaching now, just watch it all now.
No, I'm pretty sure it's behind building.
Yeah, it's a look. Good bit is we've got his team covering him.
Yeah, left hand side, so
Got him. that. Oh, fucking hell, someone shot my gun. That side of that van.
well, left or right?
Yeah, probably right. Yep, right, I'm gonna say. Oh, it's got ricocheted. Right in backside.
There's some coming this way.
Okay. Gonna need you to speed that. Run out of ammo very quickly. auto peek. Pre-fire it. Did you get him? You got a grenade? Nice.
No head now. Fucking solo.
I know, stand up, I want it.
Yeah. I think you actually want the why you don't give you why you don't give yeah guys.
I'm out of ammo nearly.
Starting to come now.
Are you dead?
No.
Oh. Hey, there's one in this window here. You'd have to full auto peek it if you're going to get him.
Alright.
I don't know if you got him. Hey, someone there.
Right.
Someone there. Yeah, there's someone there, someone there. Hit! Nice shot.
What, sure?
Where are they?
Oh shit, sorry.
Killed about 4 of them.
Calibre, that
What's that? What's one? Gee.
Hang on.
What's your dive?
Call it then.
Marshall, I recommend moving.
I'm coming exactly where I need to be. Wait, what? What do you mean? All you have to do is turn it on.
Oh, hit. Oh, nice hit. Medic.
Down. Go, good to go.
Coming down this side here.
Right side, right side, right side.
Yeah, good aid.
Moving this way.
Unlucky.